Guide to Trusting Vebko Software in NOD32 Antivirus. To trust Vebko software, after installing the software, you need to apply operations in ESET NOD32 Antivirus. First, enter Setup section and then the Antivirus Advanced Setup option. Then in the Detection Engine tab, select Edit option related to performance exclusions. In the Performance Exclusions window, click the Add option. In the Add Exclusion window, click on Browse option. Then specify the path of installing Vebko software on the computer and select the software folder to be trusted. The default path where the Vebko software is installed is displayed as follows. In this section, by selecting Vebko folder and selecting OK option, the declared path is recorded. After this step, you should do one of the following steps to trust the software version compared to the version you have installed, stable or test on your system. By selecting the Vebko stable folder shown in the path, proceed to trust stable version. It should be noted that the app data folder is in hidden mode by default, and you should display it by selecting the Hidden Items option in the View tab. Instead of asterisk, you should select the name of your Windows account, and finally, by doing these steps, the software will run as trusted and antivirus will not prevent its activity. To trust the test version, you can select a Vebko test folder in the path shown. It should be noted that the app data folder is in hidden mode by default, and you should display it by selecting the Hidden Items option in the View tab, which is the same as the part mentioned in the Trust Stable version. Instead of asterisk, you should select the name of your Windows account.